Good morning, students. Today we discuss about displacement covered in its nth second of its motion. For example, if any object moving with uniform velocity or uniform motion, then find what is the displacement in a particular time. So, particular time means, for example, fourth second or fifth second or 10th second. So, particular time. Okay, what is the displacement? So by using this formula, we have to find a particular time interval or for particular time period. For example, 10th second, 20th second, what is the displacement? Okay. So what is the formula? Sn is equal to u plus a into n minus 1 by 2. Clear? Here n indicates a particular time for 4th second or 20th second or 40th second. So n indicates that time. Okay. So a u indicates initial velocity, a indicates acceleration. Okay, clear? Now how to derive this equation? Okay, all of you listen more. So first of all, so what is the total displacement? So already before class I gave one formula for total displacement. So total displacement S is equal to simply ut plus of at square. I gave this formula. S is equal to ut plus of at square. Here again u means initial velocity. T indicates time. Okay, total time simply. A means acceleration. So S indicates total displacement into time t. After t time, simply after 20 seconds, after 40 seconds, what is the displacement means by using this formula. But particular time, 4th second or 20th second, 25th second. So that means simply by using this formula. Okay, clear? So now total displacement formula S is equal to ut plus half at square. By using this formula, we have to derive this equation now. Okay. So first of all, take for example nth second. So what is the displacement of nth second? For example, actually after n seconds. After n seconds means simply Sn simply, or take S1 simply. Okay, take S1. So after n seconds means so t is equal to n. So after n seconds means put t is equal to n in this equation. So un plus of an square. This is equation number 1. Clear? So now take after n minus 1 seconds. So what is the displacement after n minus 1 seconds? Okay. So now again t is equal to n minus 1 seconds. So now this is simply represented by S2. So now take t is equal to n minus 1. So u into n minus 1 plus half into a into n minus 1 whole square. Clear all of you? So this is the formula for S2. S2 is equal to u into n minus 1 plus half a into n minus 1 whole square. Okay. So now we have to find the Sn value. So particular time. How to find? So by using those two equations, this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Now subtract 1 and 2, we get answer. Okay. Now take simply first of all. Now subtract 1 and 2 simply. So you want Sn. So Sn is equal to simply S1 minus S2. So here S1 is equal to un plus of an square. This is S1 value. Now take S2 value. So S2 means after n minus 1 seconds. This is S2 value. So u into n minus 1 plus of a into n minus 1 whole square. Clear? Now simplify this equation, we get answer. Okay. So now Sn is equal to simply un plus half an square minus of. So now apply by using multiplication of binomial into monomial here. So u into n minus 1. So u is applied to n minus 1. So u into n, un plus into minus minus u into 1 u Again here half into a into, but n minus 1 whole square means it is in the form of a minus b whole square formula. So you know a minus b formula, a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus minus 2ab. You know this formula? So a minus b whole square formula, okay, a square plus b square minus 2ab, it is came from algebraic identity. Clear? So by using that formula, expand this one. So a square b square minus 2ab. So here a square is equal to n square, b square is equal to 1 square 1 minus 2ab, 2 into n into 1. So minus 2n. Clear? So a minus b whole square expansion. So n minus 1 whole square is equal to n square plus 1 minus 2n. So now again Sn is equal to un plus half an square, un minus u plus half a into. So now half a is applied to this trinomial. It is trinomial. Here three terms. So it is multiplied with half a. So half a is applied with every term here. So half a into n square, plus into plus plus, half a into n square, half a n square. Again plus half a into 1, same, half a. Now plus into minus minus. So half a into 2n, 2 cancel, a into n, an. Clear? All of you okay? Now again by applying simplification simply. Now so Sn is equal to un plus half n square. Now again minus is applied to every term here. So minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus, like that. So minus into first term, minus into here plus, minus into plus minus un, minus into minus plus u, minus into plus minus half an square, minus into plus minus half a, minus into minus plus an. So now simplify this equation, then we get answer. Okay. So Sn is equal to, here what are the like terms? So half an square minus half an square, same, but signs are opposite, so cancel. Clear all of you? Now remaining terms here. So here remaining terms un also cancel. Okay, remaining u minus half a plus an. So here u. So here common a. A is common here. So remaining terms n minus half. Clear all of you? This is the given equation. So Sn is equal to u plus a into n minus 1 by 2. So this is what is the displacement in a particular time. For example, 4th second, 5th second or 20 second. Okay, by using this formula, you have to find any displacement in a particular time. Clear all of you? This is very important 4 marks question this is. Okay. Now next question Now question, as shown in figure given below, a point transverse the curved path. A point transverse a curved path like that. Okay. Draw the displacement vector from the given points A to B. Here A point, here B point. So for example, an object or any body moves first starts at A and ends at B. For example, now what is the displacement? We have to find displacement here. So here displacement is equal to simply shortest path. So join A to B simply. This is the shortest path. So actually total distance A to B. This is total distance. But displacement means what is the shortest path? So this is the shortest path. The change in position. The change in position means here A to B. So what is the displacement? Simply displacement is equal to simply AB or BA. This is the displacement. Clear all of you? Now next question. So A to B means simply AB answer. Now Now next question. Draw the distance time graph when its speed decreases uniformly. So draw the distance and time, and speed decreases uniformly. So simply, so x-axis, y-axis. Now on x-axis, now you will take time. On x-axis we will take time. On y-axis we will take distance. Simply. So now speed decreases means simply the graph like that now forms a curve. This is the graph distance and time. Here speed decreases. So here the x value indicates the time and y value indicates the displacement or distance. Here distance value decreases means time increases. So here means from for example from O to this side, okay, t value increases. From O to y means y value increases. Clear all of you? So now it is indicates distance time graph for decrease in speed. Clear all of you? So now